loves, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. If you're new to my channel, welcome aboard. Today I'm going to be doing a summer floral arrangement in this beautiful vase. If you're interested how I created this vase, I will put an iCard up above and you can check that out. The vase has a wide mouth here, as you can see. So I would be using some floral foam, something to cut it, like this little knife here, and maybe a glue gun if you want, if it's not a tighter fit. So I would take a piece of my floral foam and I just fit it here on top. And this is a little bit big, so we are going to try to get it as snug as possible inside of here. So I'm going to use this little knife here and cut off some of the floral foam until it fits in here snugly, and then you can push it down in here like so, and it will start to fit. So now we have it down in there, and then we're going to just brush away all the mess. I purchased these flowers some time ago when there was a 60% off, and they're beautiful florals. We have some small ones, small heads, flower heads on this one. We have some long leaves on this one. And then we have big flower heads on here. It's very pretty. We have even bigger flower heads. We have some oval shaped like tulips. And then we have small round head florals and then branches. And this is how I do it. I get different variety of flowers, different sizes, and different leaves, because the leaves also makes the floral arrangement when you have these nice long leaves. I also bought some other beautiful leaves like these that would look great as a variety. So you have different textures, different colors. All the colors here are white, but they're varied in different colors of white. Okay, so there are all kinds of ways that you can start with your flowers. Some people start with the long ones and some people start with the short ones. I just go with what I feel. So we are going to, I see a tag left on this one. I'm going to cut the tag off. Make sure you cut all your tags off of your flowers. You don't want that to stay on. So we are going to start with this big one here. I have some floral cutters, just in case I need to cut. I've been wanting to do this floral arrangement for some time, and I finally decided to go ahead and get it done, because I am thinking about, well, I am going to do a makeover in my family room kitchen area, I guess you can call it. It's always nice when you do your floral arrangements to have your flowers look more lively. So fluff out the petals and fluff out the leaves and fluff out as much as you can so it can look lively. Because you know, they have them in those stores and they come out the packages, they're all squished. Okay, so here is where we have those nice little leaves. So we're going to, and plus it flares out into about 4 or 5 different buds. So I can weave that in and out of my floral arrangement. So I have my angles. We have some going this way. I don't want this very, very full, but I do want not a lot of holes, I guess you could say. So we're going to try to cover up as many of the holes we can. Now here's some more leaves that I have that I'm going to put in here. I think right in here. Interesting. If I have to say so myself. I think I'm gonna put this leaf over here because it's a little heavy on this side. So we are going to put the leaf, spiral leaf on this side to have some texture in here. Yeah, there we go. That worked out well. I don't like spacing down at the rim down here, so the small florals that I pick, like this right here, they're closer to the rim. And the branch here on this side is closer to the rim because it does two things. It gives it some character and some dimension when I have it hanging down like this, and it also covers the holes if I have any holes down here. That's why I said it's best to fluff out your flowers and your leaves so they won't be flat and they look lively. So that's what I'm doing now, just fluffing them out, and that also helps cover holes, especially if you don't have that many. And I didn't want this full. I wanted it to have, I don't know, individuality on the flowers, if that makes sense. So you can see the flowers individually, not bunched up together. I wanted them to flow, have some airflow and movement in the arrangement. That's why I didn't want it completely full, but I'm thinking this is it, guys. Isn't that beautiful? This turned out very, very well. I am so happy with it. And now we are going to put it in the room, in this space I was telling you about, that I took out the cafe table, and we're going to decorate that together along with this floral arrangement. This corner right here is right in my kitchen sitting room area, or my ladies lounge, and there used to be a cafe table here. If you've been here with me for a while, you would know that a cafe table used to sit here, and I decided to upscale and remodel my sitting family room area, and I am going to start in this corner here for today. And so I thought I would do a decorate with me so you can see what to expect in the future videos. When we get ready to finish up this family room, sitting room, we will be adding some crown molding and hopefully a fireplace mantle and quite a few other things that we'll be adding in this space. I decided to make this a conversation area with 2 club chairs and glass table. The chairs are white leather, which keeps with the rest of the kitchen seating area, and the glass table keeps the area light and modern to complete the corner area. Okay, my friends, this is what the outcome is. I am loving this. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you like better, the cafe table style that I had here or this beautiful seating arrangement? I think I'm going toward the seating arrangement. It really pops this corner. Plus, it takes up most of the room of this back wall here. And that cafe table didn't do that. It was just mostly centered right here on the wall. But the seating arrangement kind of spreads out along the wall that makes this use of the space. And I really think it fills the space better than a cafe table. So here is my thought process when I was thinking of this. I wanted a place where we can add more seating other than that cafe table, but I wanted to be a conversation area Also, I wanted it to be very, very fashionable and stylish because, like I said before, we will be making a makeover in this room that I will be doing a video, probably a few videos on as we go through it. And I wanted this corner right here to match that makeover. This corner would not be changing. It would stay just like it is. I have not decided, paint the side wall that's on the right hand side of the chair. Over on this side here, there's a wall over there. I might paint that white. I have not decided. So if I do anything, that's what happened. But I will decorate more on top of the ledge, probably add bookends up there with some black and white fashionable books. But other than that, this is what is going to stay just like this. This is a beautiful summer arrangement here, and I am loving it. So that was my thought process in doing this area right here. So now let's take a look at the chairs. Now, most of you have seen these chairs before. They move all over my home depending on what's going on. If I'm having a party, they go downstairs. If I need more seating area up here, then they stay up here. Or you even probably seen them in the foyer. I love this versatile, this white and black colors are so versatile. They can go anywhere in my home because they can match any of the colors in my home that I have against other furniture. I wanted it that way when I bought these pieces because just in case I want to move the furniture around and put it in areas that I need it. The white chair here with that black and white Greek key pillow is gorgeous. I love the look. I purchased those Greek key pillows on Amazon. I believe I purchased 2 for something like $7 to $8. I'm not quite sure. I think I did a brief Fabby Finds on it. If I can find it, I'll link it in the iCard above. But I think it was 2 pillow covers for like $7 to $8. I'm not sure. But Amazon have some gorgeous pillow covers for a great price. And those Greek black and white key pillows are gorgeous against that white leather. Then we go to the glass table. Now I wanted something airy here. I didn't want something too solid, and I wanted multiple shelvings so I can put different accessories on it, and this glass table did the job. It also matches my side table and my coffee table in the area. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep those pieces, but we'll see. I might change out the side table into something else, but you have to wait and see on those videos. The box that's in the second shelf, I was trying to decide if I want to keep that box there or add those balls there, but I think I like the way it looks here. It's a nice simple box on that shelf, so it won't fight too much against the other contrasting patterns here. And that white simple box does a great job. We put the remote control in that box so we know where we can find it. The black and white balls I purchased at Pier 1. They were $5.99 a piece, and I love them. Loving the black and white pattern on it. They're like a tribal pattern, and I didn't want to go toward tribal per se. I just love the pattern, and I thought they'd go great against the vase. The vase itself, like I said, is a DIY. I will link that in the iCard above that I done. The white pattern against the black background really pops the rest of the decor in this space. And then you have those huge, beautiful flowers. Loving this flower arrangement. The asymmetry as it's designed and styled on it. The huge floral buds on there. The small ones. The beautiful leaves. The different contrasting colors of green. This is a beautiful floral arrangement. One of my better ones, I believe. Then again, I always say that about my floral arrangements. But I just love them all. But this one is different because you have one side, which is the right side here, where there's a branch of flowers that kind of flows off to one side, and then on the left side you have this bunch of flowers here that have these gorgeous leaves, different color leaves and different size leaves and contrasting colors. Just love this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small decorating with me and also the floral DIY. I had a great time doing it. Put in the comments how you think it looks. Let me know. So take care. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!